Okay, dude. So after passing these entries, I need to get back to this sum because there are two more things which I need to explain. So you will be first they've asked you to pass the journal, and then they have asked you to pass like prepare the suspense account, which you will be able to do, and then they are not asking you that whether these entries are going to increase the profit or decrease the profit. They are asking you whether it is going to increase the capital or decrease the capital. Yes. So let's see what are these entries doing to the uh, capital. Like discount received column had been credited to the total of discount received column in the cash book had been credited to the commission receivable account. Yes, and see both these items are like it won't have any effect. Yes, both of these are incomes and they are getting interchanged. Yes, so it won't have any effect on the capital, so this one will be no effect. Yes, and this one they are selling off assets. Yes, and at a book value of like $200 asset they are selling it for 150. Sorry, $150 asset. Yes, they are selling it for $200, means they are making a profit of 50 rupees on the asset. Yes, so this will increase the capital. And drawings, as you know, when the proprietor withdraws things, it leads to reduction of capital. This one, this one route number 4 I'm leaving out because I'm not sure about it. And here equipment has been purchased. Yes, so equipment has been purchased and all of that means assets are increasing. So capital increases when assets increase and liabilities decrease. So here since assets are like equipment has been purchased and assets are increasing, that's why you will write that capital will also increase. And no entries has been made for a check payment for office expenses. So this office expenses, 1 minute. So here since the expenses are increasing, yes, since the expenses are increasing, the profit will go down, and when profit goes down, yes, capital will also. Acha, leave. Wait. These are not like only entries related to assets and liabilities. You're going to consider for increase and decrease in capital. This is an expense thing. You will write no effect. Yes, and this one also will have no effect because the bank account thing was correct. Yes, whether it goes to Simon or Simon, it won't have any effect on the capital. Yes, so this one will also be no effect on the capital. Okay, dude. So here again they have given you the open, like they have asked you to find out the rate of inventory turnover. So a few sums back only we did the rate of inventory turnover, and I've again forgotten the formula. What was it? Cost of sales by average inventory or whatever. Yeah, it was cost of sales by average inventory. Yeah, now I remember. See, no. This is a very important concept to explain. See, like this is a very important thing. See, average inventory, though you'll find out. You'll have the opening inventory, you have the closing inventory. You will add both of them, divide by 2, and find out. Yes, the problem is with finding the cost of sales. Cost of sales, you do opening inventory OI plus purchases minus closing inventory. See, opening inventory and closing inventory you have, you want the purchases, yes or no? So for purchases you will do revenue minus gross profit. Okay, because revenue minus purchases is equal to profit or gross profit. Yes, so to find out this purchases, now you will take this to the other side and it will be revenue minus profit is equal to purchases. Yes, so now that you have the purchases, you'll be easily able to find out cost of sales by doing opening inventory plus purchases minus closing inventory, and once you get the cost of sales, then put it in the formula and do it. State whether Shane would be satisfied with the change in rate of inventory turnover. Yes, so this one you need to get back to the theory portion of the chapter and see that what rate of inventory turnover is good. Suppose there is this thing कि 15 के ऊपर हुआ तो अच्छा है, 15 के नीचे हुआ तो बुरा है. This kind of a thing must be there in the theory portion, so figure it out that whether it is good or bad, and suggest two ways. This one also get back to the theory portion and find out that what are the two ways to improve rate of inventory turnover. In case it is not there in the theory portion, then search it out in the internet. and then state two reasons uh, why Shane values his inventory at lower of cost and net realizable value. Okay, so this is a thing. Yes, that this also must be there. Like the meaning of the question, I'm telling you the meaning of the question. Like I've told you now, like in sales, like whenever the value of inventory is given, yes, in certain sums, so just one value is given, so you write at one value only. But in certain sums, two values are given. Suppose $1,000 and $1,500. In that case, what will you do? In that case, you will take the lower one. Here they are asking you two reasons that why do they take the lower one. Yes. So this one bit I am only telling you, and in case you get it in the book, that's okay. But 1 minute I am telling you. Acha, before that, let's do this sum. Yes, like there are certain errors, and we need to judge whether they are going to increase the profit or decrease the profit. Let's first do this, and then I'll tell you the reasons. Okay. So the total cost of an advertising campaign has been a total of, after he prepared the financial statement, here and there, the following errors were discovered. Okay. ओके डूड, सो दिस थिंग लाइक एडवर्टाइजिंग कैंपेन पे 900 रुपये खर्चा हुआ, लेकिन ये 900 रुपये 15 महीने के लिए है. यस, नाउ द थिंग विथ इनकम स्टेटमेंट इज दैट हम लोग 15 महीने का नहीं देखते, हम लोग 12 महीने का देखते हैं. सो वी विल सी, अगर 15 महीने का 900 रुपये है, एक महीने का है 900/15, और 12 महीने का है 900/15 इंटू 12, वॉट एवर द आंसर इज, तो जो कि 900 से कम ही होगा. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, एक्सपेंस घट रहा है. ठीक है, इनकम स्टेटमेंट में 900 चार्ज कर दिया, लेकिन 900 चार्ज नहीं करना था, थोड़ा सा कम चार्ज करना था. ठीक है, तो फिर ये क्या करेगा, ये हमारे प्रॉफिट को इंक्रीज़ कर देगा. ठीक है, जब भी एक्सपेंस घटता है ये हमारे प्रॉफिट को इंक्रीज़ कर देता है. और डिस्काउंट अलाउड हैज़ बीन रिकॉर्डेड एज डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड. अच्छा रूट, तो फिर ये क्या करेगा, ये हमारे प्रॉफिट को घटा देगा. क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड एक इनकम लिख के रखा है जो मेरे प्रॉफिट को बढ़ाता है, लेकिन टर्न आउट होता है क्या कि वो इनकम है ही नहीं, वो तो मेरा खर्चा है. ठीक है, तो फिर मेरे को इनकम से 1200 माइनस करना पड़ेगा, और एक्सपेंसेस में 1200 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. सो ओवरऑल मेरे को डिक्रीज इन प्रॉफिट होगा 1200 से नहीं 2400 से. ठीक है, डिस्काउंट रिसीव से 1200 लेस किया, और इधर डिस्काउंट अलाउड में और 1200 ऐड कर दिया. सो 1200 प्लस 1200 2400. तो यहाँ पे डिक्रीज इन प्रॉफिट 2400 का लिखना. एंड ओके डूड, अगला एंट्री भी बहुत अच्छा है, ध्यान से सुनना. या सो डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज होना है 10% पर एनम पे. ठीक है, चार्ज होना है स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड पे. ठीक है, लेकिन गलती से चार्ज हो गया है डिमिनिशिंग बैलेंस मेथड पे. ठीक है, अभी डिमिनिशिंग बैलेंस मेथड से डेप्रिसिएशन कितना आता है वो देखते हैं. 15,000 जो कि है नेट वैल्यू, माइनस करेंगे एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन 12,000. 12,000 का 10% है 1200 रुपये. ठीक है, ये मैंने चार्ज किया है. करना कितना चाहिए था, करना चाहिए था स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड से. स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड में क्या होता है, ये जो बुक वैल्यू है, मतलब जितने पे ख़रीदा था उसका 10% ही, जो कि है 1500. मतलब मैंने डेप्रिसिएशन कम चार्ज करके रखा है, ज़्यादा चार्ज करना था. एक्सपेंस बढ़ गया तो फिर ये प्रॉफिट को क्या कर देगा, डिक्रीज़ कर देगा. और यहाँ पे लिखना है 300. ओके ओके डूड, so this thing, two reasons why Shane always values, coming back to this question, this one you will write because of the principle of conservatism. Like first reason you will write principle of conservatism. Yes, and second point, though it is the same thing only, you will write कि because the firm needs to anticipate all losses before expecting a profit. Now I repeat the statement, because the firm needs to anticipate all losses before expecting a profit. Yes, now what does this statement mean? This statement means कि फर्म को पता है कि 10 रुपये का बॉटल 15 रुपये में बिकने वाला है. ठीक है, लेकिन व्हाट इफ़ लॉस हो गया, व्हाट इफ़ 15 रुपये मिला ही नहीं, 10 पे ही बेचना पड़ा. ठीक है, तो फर्म प्रॉफिट को कंसिडर नहीं करता है. ठीक है, फर्म को सबसे पहले लॉसेस को एंटिसिपेट करना पड़ता है, और ये मान के चलना पड़ता है कि लॉस ही होगा. ठीक है, इन फ्यूचर. ठीक है, ये मान के चलना पड़ता है. दिस इज़ व्हाट यू कॉल द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंजर्वेटिज्म. ठीक है, तो फिर ये लिखना. एंड इन केस दिस वन आई टोल्ड फ्रॉम द क्लास 11 अकाउंट्स बुक. यस, एंड इन केस यू गेट समथिंग बेटर इन द बुक, देन राइट दैट.